In this tutorial, I will show you how to make a stand in Please Donate in just few easy steps. So let's start right in. Open Roblox and from bottom right corner, click on More. Now scroll down and click on Create. Now you just need to click on these three lines, then click on Dashboard. Now from here, select Place. Your place should be public. If it's private, then click on these three dots on top right corner of Place. Now here you will find an option Make Public. As my place is already public, that's why it is showing Make Private. After this, just click on Place. Now click on these three lines. Then scroll down and click on Passes. Here click on Create a Pass. Now here you can upload image and you can also go through its default picture. After this, give it any name you want, or you can also add a description. Then click on Create Pass. Now just click on Pass you have just created. Then click on these three lines. Here you have to click on Sales. Here toggle on Item for Sale. Then set a price for your pass. Then click on Save Changes. After this, click on this cross. Now from bottom left corner, click on Home. Here click on Search icon and search for Please Donate. Here click on it. Then click on Play icon. Here you have to go to Empathy Stand. Then just touch and hold on Stand Claim to claim it. Now you can also edit it by clicking on Stand It. Then you can edit your booth. Now this is your stand in Please Donate and your passes will be shown here. So that's how you can make a stand in Please Donate in just few easy steps.